Why do we have to talk about governance when discussing the mobilization of innovation ecosystems and new models of territorial intelligence? So inclusive institutions embedded in their dynamic social context that are characterized by trust, reciprocity, and the interactive nature of their public-private relations serve as a backbone of such long-term social and economic development that can target economies and societies that are just, inclusive, equitable, and sustainable. So today I would like to highlight three key principles that, in my view, contribute greatly to this idealized governance model that I presented in my introduction. So the first one is strengthening territorialities in policy processes. So place is understood as a node of networks at points of intersections in which economic, social, cultural, ecological processes are continuously changing, restructuring processes are continuously changing due to economic, institutional, and cultural transformations. So in face of a crisis or a challenge, a network of connected actors needs to collectively respond, and which often calls for the place-based approach of policy actions. So place-based strategies zero in on the specificities of a unique territory, taking into consideration local challenges, opportunities, dynamics, and resources. And they offer tailor-made developmental policy actions embedded in and connected to local assets, including knowledge and institutional base. So the second one is place leadership. And actually, this is one of my favorite research topics. And right now, I'm writing a book on female urban leadership, with which I like to show what difference and prove what difference it makes to have women in power when it comes to addressing urban social and environmental challenges. And I'm not a feminist, so it's like purely research perspective. So place leadership contributes to the transformation of places, organizations, capacities, and skills, and it allows a place become safer, more resilient, offering a more livable environment built together with local communities. So integral leadership requires new approaches of leadership with diverse skills and qualities that understands the value of and acts upon innovation agendas that address territorial challenges of the present and possible future territorial challenges. The third one is connecting innovation ecosystems. So I have published quite some paper in this topic. I find it very exciting. Why and how a growing number of regions and cities combine their place-based innovation strategies with cross-border networks of innovation. And the results of this research show that such type of collaborative actions result in a rich variety of organizational structures and approaches. And through such collaborations, local stakeholders and innovation actors can better approach innovation challenges and concerns, leading to growth and competitiveness.